guys, back again with another vlog. So here we are at 310 Tomas Morato Avenue here in Diliman City, and that's the Kustom Culture's motorcycle. So for today's video, we will be testing out their newly released model of the NT series. Hintayin muna natin guys mag-open sila. Dito muna ako pinapark eh. Guys, nandito na sa harapan natin ang panibago, pinalakas, pinamacho, pinasexy na CFmoto NK450. So as you can see, the overall body has changed a lot compared to the NK400 with its 450cc parallel twin liquid cooled 4-stroke double overhead cab with a configuration of 270-degree crankshaft that is identical to crossplane engines like the Yamaha MT-07 and the Ducati Panigale or such as that. So this bike is equipped with anti-lock braking system, ABS, the slipper clutch. That's another improvement made by CFmoto. And especially one thing to note about its weight. From 207 kilograms, it has shed some of its weight to 165 kilograms. So basically, the power to weight ratio is now perfectly balanced with this motorcycle. And then there we have it, guys. I can't wait to test this out and some of the other motorcycles here, especially that one, the newer brand, the BSA Gold Star. Looks classy, but I guess we'll start with this one first. This motorcycle is priced at 262,000 pesos. Not bad. Definitely worth it because of its features. Let's get ready to test this out. TFT display, ayan, ganda, solid. Naka-neutral na po siya, so pag in-start mo, nandito, ayan. yun na po, malupit na natin test ride po for today's video. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like it, just give it a thumbs up, comment suggestions, and stay subscribed to my channel and stay updated for my next videos. Bye bye.